Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Just a little update as to what I'm up to at the bench. I finished my E-models build, the cat, so pop over and have a look at that on their channel and on my channel, and have a little looky-loo around their store and all. What else have we been up to? Yeah, Mad Max, done a bit of work on that and all. So yeah, at long last, episode 4 has finally found its way to the YouTube. So I've got a load of video footage in the can that I shot, and luckily for me, I was having a bit of move around on drives and that, and yeah, I found them. So I'm compiling them and getting them out and up on the channel, so keep an eye out for them, and then that'll bring that build up to date. I've been doing a little bit of work on the Nimitz. That's my sort of big one in the background I tend to have laying around. Been doing some figures as well. Also got another E-models build lined up, which is a little ball tank, and I've got some buddy builds lined up. You'll probably see one on my instructions here. Me and Dave at Model Maker Dave's workshop, and I think Reese is still joining us from RJC. We're buddy building the 1/24th Huey. Yeah. It's kind of a little idea that I started a few years back on my YouTube channel, and it was let's build and find really bad kits and build them, and I kind of got distracted onto other things, and it got put on the back burner. Well, I was having a chat with Davey one night on a hangout, and I sort of threw the idea across the table and said, you know, would you be up for helping us rekindle this little one-man mission? And I said, well, I've got a 1/24th Huey that I've been threatening to build with Reese, and dangling over his head like a grand piano, bless him. And Dave's managed to get hold of one, so we're gonna start a little buddy build regular thing up on the interwebs. And Tony Blackwell suggested about another one, saying that the Huey ain't as bad as the Unimog. So we've both been out and bought a Unimog, so we're going to buddy build that. So look out for that. That'll be the Tony Blackwell. The Unimog is a pain in the arse to build kit series, and these are all going to be live and all. So look out for them. We've got quite a stash built up of kits. Have a look at the video link on my channel, Festa 67's workshop. Have a look at the Huey build on there, and there's some comments. And also on my Facebook group, Festa 67 workshop group and page, because there's some comments building up now where people are putting in their bad kits. So you can do it whichever way you want. You can join the Facebook group and put a comment there, or you can leave a comment under this one, underneath the updates video when that's uploaded, or click on the buddy build section in my YouTube channel. You'll see the Huey. Just add a comment in there on what you think is your bad kit to add to the collection. I mean, I have threatened Davey with the Knight Rider 2000 Michael Knight car by Monogram NPC, because that's a lovely example of warped and flash and all of that. And Tony Blackwell was also suggested the Airfix MGB, so apparently that's a dog and all. So have a think, people, and see what kits you've had trouble with. Steve Spencer Beanie over at Totally Scale Models reckons the 1/24th FX Spitfire is an absolute mare. So me and Davey are ordering one, and we're going to do that as well. So that's going to be the Spencer Beanie build. So if you're up for it and you want to walk the walk as well as talk the talk, bung in a kit that you think is an absolute pig. If you've got a webcam and mic, let me know, because if you're willing to go out and walk the walk as well as talk the talk and have a go yourself, if you're saying it's that much of a dog and you fancy a laugh, then get your webcam set up, get your mic set up, and let me know, and I'll send you a link, and you can come and build along with us live on the YouTubes if you want to. So not only do you get your recommendations suggested, you get to join the mayhem. So if you want to have a laugh and a giggle on a Saturday night with a like-minded group of idiots, then we're the guys, idiot, that can set that up for you. So join in, let's have a laugh with it, because we all see it in the groups. People go, oh yeah, this kit's a real dog, and it's this and it's that, and I've done it myself. I've had some kits that I've built and I'm like, God, never again. 172 172nd scale Concord springs to mind. Head Force 1, according to Mike Mountain, is an absolute dog. I got one over there, and I recommended it to him, saying, oh yeah, it's beautiful, mate. And he's like, I'll get one. Yeah, he shouldn't have trusted old Festa, should he? Because, yeah, tucked him up like a kipper. But look out for them. There's also the 3D print stuff coming up. We're doing a live show in November, and I'm doing the upgrades on it, but with a twist. Me and Davey are doing them live on YouTube. Yeah, what possibly could go wrong? So have a look out for that. Squeaky chair. Yeah, doing my head in it, probably doing yours in, so I'm trying not to move. Yeah, so have a look out for that. I'm trying to keep a straight face, because I'm looking around at the shelf down the bottom there of the stash we've built up of these buddy builds is already beginning to grow. And have a laugh with us, if you're out there and you're sitting there and you got your head in your hand looking at the kit going, something, this is a right royal balls up of a kit. Whack a comment in down there and go, here Festa, I've got one for you. I'm currently building this and it's an absolute toe rag of a kit. And you never know. If we can get hold of one and you're having a struggle, then put it on hold. Get your webcam sorted out and come and join us live and carry on with your build, and we could all swear and call it names together. So, what am I letting myself in for? Oh well, I'm going to love and leave you all because I'm rambling on. Keep an eye out for these little links I'm putting up. I'd like to say a big thanks as well to me patrons. They're supporting me through thick and thin, and I love you all for your support. We've got some Festa's friends, Festa's besties, and Festa's pals, so keep them going. If you want to join the little merriment of patrons, then tiers start at $1, $5 and $10. Anything helps. It's all voluntary. There's going to be some patron exclusive stuff coming up that is going to be solely for you guys that are supporting me, so keep an eye out for that. I do all my regular bench updates on there and all, so for $1 a month you can sit there and ramble along with Festa Pops, and the $5 and $10 tier guys get a chance to do off-air hangouts with me. And like I say, if you're a $10 guy and you want to join me live, then let me know. Grab yourself a webcam, I'll send you a little linky loo, and we can have a good old yatter on the YouTubes, live on here. Also be doing patron giveaways and freebies and things like that. So as it grows, I'll grow with it. And, you know, now that I've got the printer, I can print out the extra thin holders in wood filament. You can do them in, he says, a lot of preparation went into this, didn't it? Yeah, see, so yeah, the glue holders, etc. Yeah, so there's loads of little perks, stickers. I'm going to be doing a range of t-shirts and things like that. So there's going to be t-shirts for the patrons. You know, I support Festa, and whatever tier you're on, you'll get that as a, you know, I'm a Festa bestie, or I'm a Festa this, or whatever. So, you know, there are little perks there that I can do just to give something back for the support in a way, because, you know, you're going out your way to help me out. So least I can do, show a bit of love back. So I think I might have covered it all, he says. Anyway, I'm going to love and leave you, because it's like 4 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, guess who couldn't sleep? And keep an eye out for the stuff, and I'll love and leave you and catch you all soon. Love you all to bits. Look out for me on a Monday at E-Models for the Monday live show with Fox, Ted and Chris for some merriment and mayhem on a Monday night. Tune in to Chris on a Thursday evening with the Gross Gangs, and obviously him and Fox do their Sunday stuff and all, so have a look out for them sort of things. Keep an eye out for the Sprue crew, because we're going to be doing random lives. We've just all got to try and get together at the same time. Me and Davey are going to be doing the buddy builds, as you know, and obviously the 3D print guys. Alright, love you all. Keep modelling, keep enjoying it, spread the love, have a laugh, because life is too damn short to be miserable. Ta-la.